This is how we wash
going,
the
and I
babies.
zoom by doing. Put your hand out of the way.
Up and down
What's up? Oh,
in the
oh
silver.
I see.
I don't know what
And
left
plus.
and right means.
Plus. Those.
Yeah, I don't know what those other ones mean.
No, neither.
Maybe it's for something else. But this is how we wash the baby's eyes. Because he has gooey eyes. Okay, very, very carefully, huh? Especially when they're sleeping. Something about sleeping dogs and babies lie. You are so gooey. Yes, you are. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, looks like we've got one side done. Maybe. Always looks different when they dry.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Huh?
What looks different?
Like you see where you missed.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's always true.
Mm-hmm. Like, what are you doing to me, Mom? Just trying to clean you up, boy. Just trying to clean you up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No like.
Leave me alone.
Hey, sweetie. You gotta get your other eye back here. Uh-huh. Oh, my face.
Just stay in the picture here, kid. Don't go wandering.
Is that eye boogers? I think you're still sloughing.
Oh, says I don't have eye boogers.
Mm-hmm, right. Well, there we go. See, that's good.
Lord, good job.
Yeah.
Mom's massaging your eye. Make sure that you have good tear ducts. Encourage them to stay or get open. If that's what Scarlett's in your.
Mm-hmm.